Welcome to our next tutorial about scattering. In this tutorial, we'll try to improve the quality. In here, I will select, of course, by source node, and I'll try to get a better quality with slight changes of a prompt. So I'm clicking source, moving my node somewhere here, and connecting this more interesting exterior. So what will be the prompt? Create a same grass effect on the image where is a big soil region. So yeah, like I'm trying to give him priority. What is the final result? So big soil region is only on one image and it is on the second image reference file. Yeah, so let's try and see how it will go. So for AI, it's sometimes difficult to understand the priority. So which of the images, what is the reference and what's the main image? So yeah, make sure that you're not doing some mistakes as I or as your friends. Just try to understand it before testing in the same amount as I. And yeah, like it's very, very interesting. We can also do the same for already changed greenery to some dry greenery. I am also selecting the source file nodes and I'm simply putting it here and hitting make. Of course, I'm doing it the same now. Simply connecting node, hitting make, and I'm doing it exactly the same third time. We are giving 3 tests to see the results. And I'm hitting make. So yeah, that's one of the parts I wanted to show you. It's a reference connection. Then we can jump in again to stickers. As you see, sometimes we receive really good, predictable results. I'll steal this prompt because it's very good. It's very interesting. And I'm simply now coming back to our source file. It will be the same prompt. I'll need a print screen of this region. I'll already just simply, clicking enlarge. Now I'm clicking print screen on my keyboard and just selecting this region. That's all. So everything is quite simple. Clicking escape to come back, clicking enlarge. Now I'm in. Now I have here in my computer memory information about the perfect greenery. What I was print screening. I'm clicking enlarge, clicking draw, and here in the third icon sticker control, I'm selecting paste. Yeah, that's the main idea. How I see that I can simply paste it here. So I'm hitting. I will not use any drawing option or something like that. And now I have here my prompt. Create the same grass effect on the final first image. Where is a big soil region? It is on the second image reference file. Keep the proportions. Yeah, let's check was exactly the same prompt used by me like in my tests. Yeah, it's exactly the same. So let's come back and jump in here. Make sure that you have it on the draw edition like this image and simply hit make a few times. And you will see, in my opinion, that results are more predictable when I am using it as a sticker connected up on my image than it's, it's more stable results if we compare this method and node connection method. And now you'll see why. So yeah, this is my understanding how it works. Hope it will be helpful for you. So yeah, as you see, this is my results. This was a good result, this 2 bad results. Here we have some crazy results as well. As you see, it's quite interesting, but only 1/3 of the results are okay. So, but if you compare it to your source file, this is very good. This is very good. Slightly changed proportion, but generally like it's transferring information from one image to other, very good. And the same here, we have very, very good results. It transferring exactly the same information from this image to our current render and creating a scatter you wish from reference files. So now no needed rendering, no needed boring problems, but here, and please remember that we have here only 1/3 of success. And look at this, we have each time very good result, very, very good result. And let's check the proportions, compare A to our source image, compare B, enlarge. Perfect, amazing result. Small glitches only here. I see that it's adding me some information. So maybe I would select, this image, last one. The last test had no issues with the building. Extremely good. Extremely. Just check how good is this. very, very, very good. Like, I have nothing to add. It looks perfectly. Like, you don't need to render huge scatters anymore. And remember how simple it is to improve this quality. You can also hit add realism, for example. Also 2 times, for example, will be enough. Or I also can select this reference image. I'm also switching it to image upscaler. For example, I'm selecting magnific. 2K standard, I'll switch to photography and I'll give it slight creativity to 3. Detail strength, and that's all. Upscale, preset, hitting make. That's all. So let's wait for the results, and while we are waiting, let's check, will this strategy work for this image? Or like, I don't know, let's try. Let's try to use the same strategy for this image. Maybe it's too blurry, but I think AI will catch up what we are talking about. So I'm simply clicking print screen. I'm selecting this region. I'm clicking here enlarge, coming back to my source image. Now all I do is clicking enlarge button again, draw, removing this by red icon or clicking delete. But removing is okay. And remember that you should be in the sticker mode. It's a red blue icon here on the left top side. And now I am clicking Control V or right mouse of a click, and simply need to add a paste. Sorry, it's not working. We need to open our file again. I'm clicking print screen. It's making a print screen. Let's do this. And let's wait a while. It's made now. So I am jumping to my source. I'm jumping to a draw option, third icon, like sticker creation, and I'm using paste. Right click of the mouse, paste, or Control V. And it's ready, So now what prompt should I use? I'll use exactly the same prompt we had here. I'm coming back to my source file now. Source file, clicking enlarge, clicking draw, everything is correct. I have a dry grass here, and let's paste here the information. Create the same grass effect on the final image, a big soil region as a second reference image, keep the same proportions. Okay, simply hitting make, that's all. NanoBanana PRO 2K original, everything is the same, and just simply hitting make. So you will have a clear test now how we can improve our quality of scatters without any 3D rendering, and it's very useful for you, really. It's only a part of our scattering tutorials. We'll go deeper and dive deeper with that in more advanced tutorials soon. So the control of it is very big, and you will be able to create, some spline arrangement, some spline scattering as well along the house, along some directed objects without any need to use 3D software. So 3D software is very important, of course, and you will be able to use it at the end, when you know exactly that the concept is fully, fully approved. Let's check a quite interesting prompt we have here in preset that we want to add realism. So let's check the result. I'm comparing my result from scattering and my information that I want more realism. It's giving more contrast, more bright colors, like typical photo. And it looks good. It's typical photo. Maybe people love a little bit desaturated in ArcViz world, but it's okay. And let's check the magnific. So I'm comparing my typical image with my upscaled image. Magnific gives a significant better quality of greenery. As you see here, for example, those flowers are looking a little bit plastic, but after that it gives a lot of small details impossible to reach in any other way. As always, you see a huge improvement on the stones. Stones are now much more clear, much more understandable for my eye. And like general vision, everything looks much more sharp, much more clear. And let's check the test where we tried to, it was the second test where we tried to improve the realism. And I think it looks even slightly better than this one, but this one also looks good, like typical summer vibe. So and let's check the results here where we used a sticker instead of an image connection. As you see, results are very good. Like we can open the full file and check it. Everything looks perfectly. So you can simply transfer now. Now you know how to transfer images, and you can transfer your greenery, your scattering ideas from one image to other images. And now you also know the mistakes and typical problems of it. So hope to see you in the next tutorial. Remember that VizMaker is completely free. The file is attached to this tutorial, and simply download it. In next tutorial, we'll discuss engine selection for this topic, and see you soon and wish you good luck.